for our Raha from office to the Daystar Cathedral, now at the headquarters of the Daystar International Ministries. Tuine omukoro muhango na mnongo gukonchinga magazine eyikwata arugendo naba ninzaguza emyaka 40 tunaika myaka eri kwingana 50 na mshanzo ndi kugenderamu nko myaka 40 niyo ndi kuzaguza ebirabe na mukaga aha Daystar Cathedral ahinyetire abana banje bona bo mwoyo ahinyetire abariza barahanga bo nabimpereza nabo ahinyetire abanyibakuru na mnonga nka MK General Muhoozi Kainerugaba mutaba nari first son of the President of the Republic of Uganda. Nshwire ino mukazi mamweta Margaret tulyamreba nyine nabana kandi na Margaret yabasekunza abana babiri Rehoboth amwe na Junior. Mweno hasande jebirabe na mukaga neza kuba erisande iya ababurizi n'aba missionaries kugo mu America bureze ko bari aha kandi barukuza kuzamwe nanye emyaka 10 nzakwa ntongoza magazine y'urugendo rwanje magazine rimo byafayo ninkahina arayirenzara ninkahina tunyire chemishana ninkahina abiro mworo ninkahi mukama mpiro mugisha ninkahina afiro mukazo njo kubanza ninkahina shuru mukazo wanje unyine ninkahi najiraba nabo kubanza nabana binyine hati namahanga go nagintamburiremo mweneza ko very great magazine yaba mutwena yashemera kurangu yaferwa okubasa kuba nayo omukaye neza ko gise bintu bingi ekindi kindi kwenda kuteka mu highlights sezi ngo sente ezarago magazine jo mu launch ya magazine tindi kustwara kombe kamu enju tindi kustwara kugura motoka nyowe ninzikosa as a thanksgiving way to appreciate God okusima ruhango basekundinda emyaka ejjo na 40 sukari yanje rinomo pressure yanje rinomo I don't have HIV/AIDS I don't have any kind of disease think is compare kureba doctor mukama mpira magaro myaka yanje jona and I'm strong as I was when I met Jesus Christ mukama mbire murundi I've been good friends with the pastors around in this country, good friends with the pastor internationally. I've been good friends with the President of the Republic of Uganda, akatayawao mukanisa First Lady Mama Janet Museveni, kabawa mukanisa munati umutabano wabo nawe yizaha kandi hamukoro gwanye. Ninsima ruhanga mpira abanywana. Abanyamahurri babaga abazigu baburihibu mutuwena kunkanyo abanyamahurri bambere abanyamukago nosanga usuri abakutereka tuni usuri aho reba ngo debeki konka mukama mpire favor n'abanyamahurre nitukora hamwe imirimo nkeje mwenu nimanyisa abantu mwenu nonda kumanya ecama kiri mu kwereza ruhanga nonda kumanya ni kintu kimpangize kumsya wirobo otakafiro kure cama nkeje birabe na mukaga Daystar Cathedral cyakwa tune service ina ibiri mpakina inane choka mpaka mshanzu munana mpaka 10 mpaka shahemu mukazo tuzitemire zakwa tune service sage irataneke shayishatu mukoro guno gwebiro abiri na mukaga nyina masiko ngubanywana banja bimpiro mugisha na mnonga tinkagamba ne bayi awukongwiri bwa COVID-19 I spent almost like 1 billion Uganda shillings okurisa abantu baruhanga abasilamu abakatoliki abaprotestanti bamungumwema ama district tukabasa kulisa 13 turukutweka obuhunga turukutweka ebihimba nebindi ebikwatu twase kwereza abantu basi kuyamba ba pastors kubagure mfarso amwe no kuyamba abana babo kandi cyo cyonka tune Uganda House of Hope aho muri Mbarara tubase kurebera abana mfuzi 13 nitubarisa breakfast nitubaraza nitubanywisa ndebire mukama nakore bikuru kuraba umuherezo omyaka 40 tebire myaka 40 na ekisobobo tebire myaka 40 uteza abantu mutwe tebire myaka 40 yabantu bagambito gakangirwa ki ebire myaka 40 iretire mitima bingi okumura n'abantu bandukwereza obuzurizi wabano 9 obuzuzi bwo kubanza izo gumurebe kiri mu Daystar Cathedral obuzuruzi bwa kabiri House of Hope, obuzuruzi bwa kashatu Grace Radio FM yabase kuyamba abantu bingi kure ikigambo cya Ruhanga no kubasa kubakomora mwene insima Ruhanga nti imyaka ijima 40 nanyo kenyini ni ntangare Ruhanga ebyankorire omuruzungu ni masagame ikigambo nti what shall I render to my Lord Jesus Christ, the man that found me right in the ditch, as the Bible says in Psalms 113 verse 7, I will raise the poor from the dust and bring up the confused from the ash heap and make them sit the prince of his people. Mukama kansanga ndio mworo, Mukama kansanga nshobirwe, Mukama kansanga ndemerirwe, yanyimsya yampsya hahindi. Is there anybody you need to trust? Is Jesus. Habo kubamberire muhanda amazima amwe namagara. So otakafero kurangwe magazine ne kwikoma ngaro. Eji magazine neza kwikoma ngaro yabase itwa bintu launchinga. Yabase koreka you mean a man without a background? My father was illiterate. My mother was illiterate. They failed to take me to school. And I dropped out of school on primary 5. And 1987, 83, when I met Jesus Christ, and He gave me a new beginning. Now, if there is a God that can do that to my life, I wrote hunger, I request a kubikora ni yom magaragao. When you brief zinyine, kan tuina maskominji, ngwengu dozona, Ibrahim na mkaga, nezakona zorecherwa, Adesta Cathedral, Mbarara. Mwewe mnongo. Nyesire Amadine Gone. I have personally Nyesa Ninjire invitation to the Bishop of Sheldon Mwesigwa Anglican Church. Nyesa Ninjire Ibarahim myself to the Bishop of Holy Spirit Fire Church. Nyesa Ninjire myself invitation to the Bishop of King of Kings and Nyamitanga Diocese. So it's in Chikorekangu Amadine Gone to Gesire Abasram Besirwe business community to Besire, celebrities, Sunday to Isabonaba, celebs to Mbarara, Bona to Besire, Abashubuzi, Bona to Besire. I think we have covered everyone. So, Echecho Tukozire, Abokwe, Miaka Makumiana, Neo Quetra Muano wa Kuzakuza Hamaniwe, teaching to Chokuzan. Neverabatan the Chile, Konka, Bachi, Komiaka Etano, Nata Mubare, Mirabare Merirwe, Notin the Kwe him Bisawecho. Kureka nisima Ruhanga abumba bazezi zabase kumpereza. Ebiro abinamukaga to expecting omujeni mukuru General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, to expecting abajeni special guests from the United States of America, to expecting okuramya hamwe. Okuramya niyo greatest key abana baruhanga bo nakwita namu bakaramya Ruhanga no kumwebaza. Then to expecting the magazine launch. We want to launching a magazine yetu, we are launching sentes la rugemu omuli launch eji za kubasa kora floor ya Adesta Cathedral kuteka mtairizi ezo ne sente ni launching a magazine yanje, but I've donated that money that my friends will be able to donate on the magazine zibase kora floor yenzu ya Ruhanga. Yes. Mbwenu echintu echo celebrating nechintu echirinka culture nicho kurangu nanka ya launchinga album echeshongoro abantu bwena tukaze tukamutwera. So tuguba muki ntwani twendo yo wa launchinga achemerwe ahabwa talent zyo muri wengu zahagirwa. Mbwena nyabarize baba taragasiro munyoni ngasirwa mu omuringo nkogo. One na nyine mikago na nyine abantu bakunda anura kwasa kweta bakiza kunga kandi bambataya na magazine eji one naza kusoma byafayo nahabira ndakutentebuka nari kucweka mikono nari kwamani abayi encouraged 3 esente ziyanyambisa akuronchinga nawe karizo mukanasoma kasanga inzu ya mukama neyera nawe Ruhanga lya muherezo mugisha about that contribution. Was able to celebrate Sunday baza kwiza like Reggie is given opportunity na kweshongora muchara kafyoko naza kweshongora Lydia Nabasa naza kweshongora n'abandi bingi Kasirivu the Great na ine speech yarahe Bogman aine presentation yarakore n'abandi bine imyuga yabo ibareze ko mbakora kibase koreka ni celebrity Sunday y'abantu bone okuba pastor okuba bishop okuba reverend narukuba muruko rwena toine any promise in the Bible that you are exempted from trials and temptations habukwa nubu okubyo ikiraro kushanota nibiza kutomera Yesu bikamutomera Paulo bikamutomera nitumbiza kutomera n'abakuru bitoko tukira ba Robert Kayenja batomire n'abandi na nyinyini izobe na ikiremu insiyoni kanye mukira banyeto wenyaza banyitari kuhonga abantu insiyona yanshaninga abantu bingi beiruka abantu bagira ubwoba but I stood the ground nkamanyo wanyese no kuroba ndakusingura ebirukurwanisa amecho otari gateka ebirukurwanisa gateka ryo gwa rukurwanira otareba size y'ikizibu cyawe urebe size ya ruhanga wawe ngo nta kizibu cyawe man so buri pastor wena ari kurabo mu ronkogo abwencha bamwe bafeintingire abwencha abandi bawiramani habo kuba ne barwana gane bari kureba ito ibikuturwanisa tuberenza meisho tureba no hari inyuma yabyo nutukudiringa nawe kandi ari inyuma yetu ni muhango okukira inyuma yabyo yes.
And I represent Ankole Media TV. Tureba umukoloni kuzakuringa guest of honor MK.
Security have applied for the security kandi stage na MK wowe nka yezire na nka security yabo nibiza ku advanced team. So security wise we are well covered. We have applied for security. Nzakwa turi kurungi ninchi chimengu Uganda is a country with strong security. Yes, sir. Go get Takari. The celebration age neizo bari neba celebs binjo muri Mbarara. Amwe nenkunze kanisa abamwe mu kanisa nabaza mukace amwe nibazo muzigiti amwe nibazo kunoku nihinjinji kunkeje sande tujibahire ngumwene basirebe bona hibari biziba bugabugana ni uri mwana chali wango liwano kijana mwana mzee iguna hori wano nabo bajuho sande mu special kweterwabo abo kwatiba kafiri n'abantu bari kukunda ruhanga konka bari mu makanisa gatari gamwe na gamwe konka sande je birabe na mukaga twaza kuba family age twaza kuramya ruhango twaza kuri kigambweki so neza ko izo barimwe birabe na mukaga kandi baza kushemera idronkinge neza kubira risingizingaye turi kujiguza sente kureka tujitireho for donations omuntu wano manyangu no semero omuntu ahalonji no basa ku donatinga sente zingahi abukunda kwagira umurimo ogukora tiles ze kanasa ari umuntu ayine capacity nagironkinga na million ari ine capacity nagironkinga na mitwara 5 kana ronde tine basaga nyine mitwara 5 aruneza inobasa so we shall not go below 20,000 konka in amount above 20,000 akona kujiprintinga we shall accept it as a donation towards the tithing of the church. Yes, sir. Standi yanje eri kwatagana aha lesbianism, standi yanje eri kwatagana muri Nyankore ebitingwa tindi kwaukana na President Yoweri Museveni. Ihangeri culturally, nari biblically, nari spiritually, homosexuality is an abomination. Nechinugwa ebitingwa ticho bwa ruhanga kandi tukichena kandi tukikondeming kandi hati shensiro mashomero gaitu we are not safe abana baitu barumbirwe nicho tukwenda ngo government etekaho muhigo na investigation ziri kumara abari kore bintu kurwa nkebyo batabagarukiza heyi baba isi hari nari baba fubira insiyone ri kureba kandi ngitwe meze omoyo tuyakushaba kwa mani ngobundi bakaju nabahinduka. We don't condone, support, believe in homosexuality. Twinabajinya bakwiza n'abazungu go mu America mitwanga no kodona okudonatinga sente za wombo hereza nkobu ori kitingwa nari ori homosexual n'icyo muri ebyo. We don't take your money. ekina kigamu ruzungu, we don't support or receive any donation from the sexual homosexual nkebyo kigumira kubyawura ninkebirongo kandi abarongo yari omukino mwozo tibarara mu kitanda kimwe omushina rero kweye no muzoraro kweye kandi bari abarongo mwena politics ne church n'abarongo ndiko mukino mwozo bari side ya kuriya nibahereza ruhanga ni turi side ya kunuya ni twereza ruhanga mbwenu naemera nkareta MK dari kaguta Museveni. Beside being a spiritual leader, I have a party. A person, me, I'm a movement, Nichikacha movement. I'm not afraid of that. I'm not ashamed of that. It is in my blood. So MK has my support, has my vote, and I cannot be embarrassed to talk about him. I will support him. Mushato muntia supporting umukoro gwanje. Akibo tikazo ko uzowanya Mbarara. So I will be supporting NRM and NRM government and Yoweri Museveni. Kanda chabantu kuboreka ngure tukoze bita sometimes aro bikorwa birukora bitarukwetaga to publish kana aro bikorwa birukweyoreka wadu to publishing. So tuza kwanzura bikwita kwanzurwa ngo bitakweta kwanzura bitakubasa kwanzurwa main tubasa koreka imfuzi tukuyamba abukwishomero ruho na konkatu ibinge bitukozire ebitarabase kure bikizoberyo konkabiro mukatabwaka so muntu yakerebera naza kweshoma the details of this book. So you need a visa to go to America. I don't need one because I travel with American passport, so I'm an American. Na shobi I will be charged like American, but American is a country. America ni hanga eriyo inobugabe kugamba chona okwanga chona echo rukwenda kanotine rubanza. So tindi kwenda taro arize kunyima visa to travel abukwa I am already a citizen. A citizen, you don't need a visa to go back because you're already traveling with an American passport. Kandi chini cha kabiri na araba America abari mu America bari kwange bisiyaga kana bari kubikondeming. So that's how ihangari American yangarungi that you have freedom of speech. You can oppose the president, you can talk whatever you want to talk to the president or any kind of leadership. So HFCiaga free to talk any way I want. N'abanyamahuriro beitu aha Desta Cathedral Mbarara mwebare kwiza nimangu tumanye wabahura. Now I make my last remarks. Are you my friend? Are you a Ugandan? Are you have you been blessed by my ministry? Orahiro mugisha musharanye nakushabireho abo yenche birabe na mukago tafutora nkizo bari kurukizo kashimira hamwe nanye mushati aroinga amangu basi mogenze nima kuna kufanka hati noiza kunzika noiza kubaro noza kuterebishana bamwe kunkase cya kureta ntakuza kurebana nyikagamba yiwe bari kwiza mukoro gwanye niki mwe kwiza kunzika nagenzire ngo karnaro kangamba ho birunja abari mushiza abari izo kingabe hati nikureba kandi tikubasa kushimira hamwe neyo nebirabe na mukaga shahina nsoko twatandikire wiza shahina nabasa kutatunga nente yo kusitama. We have a church nesamisa abantu kanana ahanshi nika 15 oruguru ne 12 then turebe ngo wasitamaje ayo abasakwika kamba rebe na sandeji titwine ndizo sande ndizo neji yebirabe na mukaga na mukama naza koreza umushi mwe bari munongo Yesu yabare ababanya nakuraba urihemu ecyuka kasirira ka yabare babiraka yutumu babiraka utosindi babiraka ukombeka hamwe pandura kosi aba yidora hereza baba bamwe bashaka abandi batambuka